Okay, John, we're going to practice plotting points on a graph board. And I'm going to first set up the graph board with the X and Y axis using WikiSticks. So then you'll know where the X and Y are. I'm putting on the X, the Y right there, and now I'll do the X. Okay. I am going to put one of our circle push pins in the center for 0, 0, so that you know where the center of the graph board is. Okay, so if you want to take a look at it.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. Oops. So I'd like to move a little bit. All right.
Okay, and I'm going to give you some push pins, and we're just going to first practice plotting some basic points, and then I'll have you make like a square using the points or lines. So here's a pin.
Okay.
If you just want to plot 4, 6.
4, 6. Okay, this is 0, 0. It's right here. 1, 2. It's rise over run. It's right there. There we go.
Okay. You want to remember though, which number comes first, the X or the Y?
It's the X first.
Okay, and which line is your X?
Oh, sorry.
Which line is your X?
It'd be 4. Oh. 3, 4, 5, 6. Right
Okay.
there.
If you want to tell me what you did.
I went over to the right 4. I started the origin, went over 4 places to the right, and up 6.
Good job.
I was thinking a slope there for a second, which is rise over run.
Okay, so you want to do your X first, so you're going to go over 4.
Yep.
And then up to 6, which is your Y. Okay.
Yep.
Now if you want to do -3, -5.
-3, -5. That's right here. Oops. I'm going to go down one so that the WikiSticks don't get in my way. But they are anyway. Okay. -3, -5, did you say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I went to the left 3 and down 5, and there we go. Oops. There we go.
Okay, nice job. These WikiSticks aren't cooperating. Let me fix the origin to put the WikiStick in there, and then maybe I'll stay better. Okay, now if we wanted to have you make a line between these 2 points, okay, you have the 4, 6 and the -3, 5.
Yep.
Okay, I have a WikiStick here. Can you show how you would combine them to make it?
Yes. Let's see here. It's right here. I'm going to actually try and put it right on the pin so that it doesn't move. Okay, and then this one right here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to kind of wrap it around the pin here so it doesn't move. Okay, that's good. And we have a line now that passes. If it wasn't for that little pin thing, it would pass right through the origin.
Good job. It would go right through 0, 0.
Yes, it would.
And by having it with the WikiStick, can you give me another point that it would pass through?
Yes. Let's see, where's right here? Okay, that's over 1. Let's see, it's over 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It looks like it would pass through 2, 3. Over 2 and up 3.
Nice job. And it passes right through there. What else we could do is use a pipe cleaner instead of, I'm going to have you try using a pipe cleaner and have you tell me which one works out easier. Here's a pipe cleaner.
Okay. You want me to redo the line between these two?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, Okay. You know what if I can, okay, I'm just going to put it right here and right here. See, the problem with these pipe cleaners is that they don't stay put where you have them. And as a result, the line moves. If you can see, I have it right here, but when I let go, the thing wants to move, and it does. It, in fact, moves away from the origin.
Okay, what if you bent it around that pin? Would it work that way?
It might, but then when you...
Okay.
Oh, okay.
See if that is easier. I bent it around and then I'll have you.
Okay.
Does that work?
Yeah, that's better.
Are you able to distinguish the line that you made easier with the pipe cleaner because of it being different than the XY axis? Or does it not make a difference?
The pipe cleaners are good for when you have to make more than one line. Yeah, I can understand that where the X and Y axes are, and then if I need to make one line with the wiki sticks, I'll understand it. But if there's like multiple lines, then pipe cleaners would be good to use.
Okay.
It might also be even a little easier to tell where the line or what points the lines run across, especially if they're close together, because a pipe cleaner is easier to sneak your finger under without moving the entire thing. Whereas a wiki stick, even though it's wrapped between the two pins, you still could move it a little bit more than you could this. This is pretty secure, actually.
Okay. I'm going to have you make a quadrilateral with the points. So let's clear our graph board off.
Okay, I'll get everything off. Where do you have the pins at? Oh, right here? Okay.
And then you'll have to...
Here, can I just take these?
Mm-hmm. Okay, the first point is going to be 0.53.
1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 5, 3. Oops. Okay.
And then negative 5, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 1, 2, 3. It's right there.
Negative 5, 3.
Oh, I see what I did. Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so negative
5. So negative
negative
5.
5 is going to be going
Right,
to
I know.
your...
To my left.
Mm-hmm.
Negative 1, 2, 3. It's right there.
Okay, but I didn't say... No, it's negative 5,
Negative 5, 3.
positive 3. So you want to go
Okay.
up into the second quadrant.
There we go.
Okay, now you can do your negative 5, negative 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. This thing keeps moving. Okay.
Okay, and then can you figure out where the last one is going to go?
Let's see, we got one here, one here, and here. Right here, here, here. Okay, so where is this one? Negative 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's negative 5, 3. Okay, this one's going to be the same as this one down here. We have three. We have these two up here. This one down here. So let's see, where was that one exactly? Let's see, that was over 1, 2, 3, 2. That's negative 5, negative 3. So we need one over here at 5, negative 3.
Nice job.
1, 2, 3, right there. Okay.
Now, if they asked you to draw this, to combine the lines, to join the lines, the points,
The points, yes.
which would you prefer to use? Would you prefer to use a pipe cleaner or a wiki stick? Wiki sticks.
You know what, I think I'm going to try it out with a pipe cleaner.
Okay.
Actually, I think because sometimes I'm going to try this one out with a pipe cleaner. Wrap it around the pin here. And I'm also going to do a pipe cleaner for the top line. But sometimes in geometry they ask you, I'm just going to tuck this in here. Alright, I'm ready for my next pipe cleaner for the top line. Let's see, I'm going to wrap this around, there we go.
Don't forget, you also have to join the sides.
I was just going to say, for the wiki, we can use the wiki sticks when we do that.
Okay, what I would do is I would bring the pipe cleaners
I would-
and wrap it around all 4 pegs. So you would probably need the 2 pipe cleaners, but here I'm going to undo what you've done here and bring it down so that it's wrapping on the outside of the pegs
Okay.
of the push pins. And then
Okay.
you have your square. And see if you can, how that is.
That's good.
Your your rectangle.
Yeah, that's good. See, now, I would use a wiki stick if I had to connect this and this point to find, like, say I had to find the line segment in between there. I would probably use a wiki stick to connect these 2 points to each other.
Okay, good job. Okay, one last thing I'm going to have you do is plot separate points using the different push pins that we
The
have.
different shaped push pins. There we go. Oops. Here's this other pipe cleaner. And, there we go.
Okay, there's one of the push pins. You want to do 2, 4.
Over 2, up 4. That's good. There we go.
Do 4, 6. There's a
Oops. 1. Six. Okay.
and 6, 8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. There we go. That's good.
Okay. Can you tell me about where those 3 points lay?
Yeah, they all lay along the same line.
Good. Can you say what the advantages or disadvantages of these push pins to the other push pins you were using? Why these have been?
Because sometimes we move from problem to problem pretty rapidly, especially when the teacher is giving notes, and you know, but we still have to deal with the same figures. So sometimes, to identify what points are for what problems, I will use different shaped push pins. So that helps me out.
Okay.
But these are, I'd like to point out though, one disadvantage. These are not the greatest when you're trying to connect the lines like we were doing in that square. Their bigger shape makes it harder to wrap the pipe cleaner around or put the wiki stick under like I did with the other ones.
Okay. I'm going to have you take those out, and we're going to do one more thing with having you
Here you go.
label the pins. So if when you're doing this in class and you have to construct something, that you have a way to know what points are, what the points are. I'm going to have you first label, and these are just Play School magnets that have the Braille on them. And then we've used them on a magnet board, and then we've also used them on this board. First have you can just take a push pin from your right side.
Okay.
Label point 83. And that's going to be A.
7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, I remember this stuff. Okay.
You're just going to put that by the point.
Yeah. I'm going to put it right there.
Okay, and then label J is going to be -6, 4.
-6, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down 1, 2.
Negative 6, 4.
Oh, down. Oh, okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Okay, and here's the J.
Okay. I'm just aligning it so that it looks straight to me. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to fix our X line real fast. Okay, do another one at negative 3, negative 7. That will be point B.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, where's it at? What point is this? You hand me another J.
It's D.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now you've graphed these points, so now when your teacher in class is talking about where point A, J, or D lie, you would be able to follow along with what the rest of the class is doing
Yes.
with this, so that you would understand where they are as she's doing it up on the overhead or up on the chalkboard.